Dictation 60 words per minute. Ready? Start. About 11 honorable members have taken part in the debate and have given valuable suggestions on the electoral reforms. The bill that is before the House is only on one point, that is, countermanding of elections should not be there if an independent candidate dies. But taking this opportunity, almost all the members have expressed their views on the need for electoral reforms at an early date. Para. As far as this bill is concerned, I don't think there will be any objection from any member. Even the honorable member who moved this statutory resolution said that if the government assures that it is going to bring in a comprehensive electoral reforms bill as early as possible, he has no objection to this. This ordinance had to be issued because of the experience in the parliament and assembly elections in various states, particularly in the state of Punjab. During the last Punjab elections, a number of candidates, particularly independent candidates, were killed, and that has made the government think seriously what it should do. Elections in 13 parliamentary constituencies, including the ones in Punjab, were countermanded. Elections in 20 assembly constituencies in the whole country, including 9 in Punjab, had to be countermanded. So, this high incidence of deaths has made the government think and come forward with an ordinance which will enable the elections to go on in spite of deaths of independent candidates. The effect of it you have seen in Punjab. This time the incidence of deaths was not so high. We were able to conduct the election and the government elected by the people of Punjab was restored after a long time. I hope the House will agree unanimously as far as this part of it is concerned. Para. About the electoral reforms, the government is also more serious. We have been making a lot of efforts. I will come forward with some of the suggestions later, but as the honorable member Dr. Jain has said, a lot of effort has gone into this thinking about the electoral reforms. Para. The Prime Minister called a meeting of the leaders long back, and later on late Sri Dinesh Goswami, who was the Minister of Law, had constituted a committee under his chairmanship and made a deep study and had come forward with 2 or 3 bills. 3 bills are also pending in the Parliament. We could not proceed with them. That's all.